Hello everyone, my name is Ashley. In this video I'm going to show you the different truss orientations in truss design. We need to go to our truss settings, which we can access through the Steelwise ribbon bar under the settings sections, or via the menu bar under the settings sections. Alternatively, we can type in the tset shortcut alias into the command bar. This will bring up your Steelwise settings dialog box. Under the model name section, under this drop-down list, we can see that we have different truss systems. We have an LE inline truss system and an LC back-to-back truss system. If I zoom into my plan view, we can immediately see the difference between an LC and an LE truss by seeing the different frame widths due to their orientations. If I come to my detail sheet, here we have an LE truss, as we are viewing the truss from the shallow axis, and the web chords are fixed in line to the top and bottom chords. Here we have an LC truss. We are viewing the truss from the deep axis orientation, and our web chords are being fixed to the back of the webs of the top and bottom chord. If I open up my model view, here we can see the back-to-back system, the LC back-to-back system, and on this side here we can see the LE inline system. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.